Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's Elite 14-foot pool with pump and Qualco Chlorinating tab kit. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Wave's Elite 14-foot frame pool. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool. It comes with a filter pump, Type D filter cartridge, repair patch, ladder, and 5-pound chlorinating tab kit. With 5 pounds of chlorine tabs, you'll be able to have a sparkling pool day after day. Chlorinating tabs are slow dissolving but fast acting and used to chlorinate and disinfect pools on a continuous basis. Product benefits: rust resistant, galvanized steel frame stands up to heavy use. Constructed of triple layer polyester mesh and heavy gauge PVC material. Easy to use 3-inch chlorine tablets dissolve slowly but work fast and effectively. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.